Stuller is proud to feature Demika self-locking clasp. Ordinary spring rings and lobster clasp are often difficult to manage, but the Demika self-locking clasp take the hassle out of fastening jewelry. These clasps have powerful magnets that are easy to fasten. Just bring the two ends of a necklace or bracelet close to each other and powerful magnets will draw them together. Then merely press the catch down to lock securely. Soldering Demika clasp is easy and follows traditional soldering methods. You just need to be sure to coat with ThermoShield. This protects the magnets to ensure continued strength in fastening. Demika clasp can also be welded using a laser welder. The magnets provide a secure and extremely strong seal. Watch as we use the magnet on one end of the clasp to lift a 10-pound weight. Offered in a wide variety of models and styles, there is a Demika clasp that will fit any piece of jewelry. This is a great upsell for your store. Make any necklace or bracelet easy to fasten by replacing the clasp with Demika clasp and create grateful customers. With all the Demika clasps we are now offering, we have styles and materials to satisfy every customer's taste and pocketbook.